If you imagine a tic-tac-toe board, that's essentially the comic book grid. This is a wonderful page by Jack Kirby from a 1966 comic, and it is Captain America fighting Batroc the Leaper. And it's a great page because it shows us the grid, right? It's a simple tic-tac-toe board. But what Jack Kirby does here is he takes the super inflexible grid and all of a sudden he makes it into motion, right? You can feel the energy. Batroc's going forward. There's Cap. Cap catches him quick and gets inside his leg. A 1-2 punch. Boom, and he twists. You can feel the motion as Batroc comes back around, knocks Cap down, but Cap gets up, hits him again. The haymaker, he goes down and then back up. And then he's like a panther there, circling his prey. It's a great high-energy grid. But what I love about it is, here's Jack Kirby. He can do it either way, right? He owns the page. He can send your imagination into motion in the grid, or he can send your imagination into this strange world of shapes. This is from a great Fantastic Four issue. And this is Reed Richards going into the negative zone. And what's so amazing with this is it's a collage. It's a collage of cutouts that Jack Kirby did. Planets and mountains and spirals. I've done it. I'm drifting into a world of limitless dimension. It's the crossroads of infinity, the junction to everywhere. Jack Kirby's masking tape is still on it. You can see in pencil. Reed drifts in dimensional space. It's both weird and beautiful. What's happening here is that Reed is going into space, but really he's going into the imagination. The junction of everywhere. Into an imaginative portal. And in that imaginative portal, things aren't as we expect. They're weird and beautiful. We are right now in this gridded out reality where we're encountering people on a grid. How do we impute into that some sense of interpersonal relations? Well, art helps us do that, right? And this is a lesson on how something static is also motion. It's how we can understand sequence, but pausing over a certain moment and investigating it.